Welcome to Cardano News. Have you invested in Cardano and wondered how rich you'll become if you invested $1,000 today? Stay tuned if that's the case and enjoy the video. If you want to win 200 free ADA, see the comment section below and join our giveaway. With this video, we'll explore Cardano's potential and consider how much you might get in return if you invested $1,000 today. Also, in this video, we will take a look at what Cardano actually is, how it performs today, and what it intends to accomplish in the future. We will also discuss some price estimates, both conservative and realistic, as well as some more optimistic predictions. Using this as an example, you can get a good idea of how much wealth you may be able to accumulate with $1,000 or what kind of position you may reach mid and long term. But before we get started, please do your own research, as this video is only for informational and educational benefits. I am not a financial advisor, so I am not in a way of giving you any financial advice. So since I have cleared that up, let's dive into what the Cardano cryptocurrency is all about. On their official website, it is stated that Cardano is a digital asset based on a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that is based on peer-reviewed research and developed using proof-based methods. In a nutshell, it's a blockchain platform. The main difference between it and Bitcoin is that it's a proof-of-stake model rather than a proof-of-work model. And taking this into account, Cardano is often referred to as the green coin, since the proof-of-stake mechanism does not use a lot of energy in order to build new blocks. However, the Cardano project is still in development because they have started later. Additionally, following a major upgrade last September, users are now able to use smart contracts on the Cardano network, making it more competitive with larger rival Ethereum. Additionally, developers Input-Output HK confirmed over Twitter that the software upgrade, or Alonzo, had been successfully installed. Following completion of the Alonzo hard fork, Cardano announced that it had deployed Pluto's smart contract capabilities in a blog post that same day. Further, Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, told Insider in an interview that this was probably the biggest change to its protocol in history. That is why, in this upgrade, smart contracts will be implemented on the blockchain, enabling a slew of new decentralized finance applications and capabilities. Consequently, Cardano could rival the popularity of Ethereum, a much larger network. As a matter of fact, it has been earning the title of Ethereum killer. Also, a study of computer science considered to be one of its foundations named the Alonzo upgrade after computer scientist Alonzo Church. As a result, decentralized exchanges will be possible, non-fungible tokens will be able to be issued, and Oracle programs that trigger smart contracts will be able to pull in external data. According to Hoskinson, this will now let them build the application with more predictability, and they can as well use formal methods, all of which will help it become more secure, sustainable, and ultimately useful in the long run. Cardano ADA has recently become the third largest coin in the world by market value, trading for $2.19 with a market capitalization of more than $70 billion. The complete implementation of Cardano is still a ways off for now, but so far there have been more positive developments. I think this is really exciting, especially since Cardano is still in its early stages right now. In the coming 90 to maybe 100 days, there will be a lot more action around this project because there has been so much excitement around this concept and because there will be a lot of Cardano summer and upgrades in the near future. In addition, the excitement around Cardano has been raised by the fact that they have already secured partnership deals with two countries in Africa. Those two countries are Ethiopia and Tanzania, and this leads to some very exciting opportunities since most of Africa does not have adequate access to education or technology, especially in comparison to other parts of the world. Hence, there is enormous room for improvement, a huge potential, and Cardano aims to be the first company operating in Africa. That is why Cardano's value will certainly receive a huge boost with this. Further, Cardano's transaction speed is another feature that makes it so appealing. There have been issues with Bitcoin and Ethereum with regards to this, which is why Cardano aims to solve them as efficiently and rapidly as possible. During Cardano's first test conducted in 2017, it was capable of processing up to 257 transactions per second. To put Bitcoin in perspective, it can process 4.6 transactions per second, meanwhile Ethereum 1.0 can process 15 to 20 transactions per second. Currently, Cardano is working on scaling this even further with a second layer solution, and then they hope to reach about 1,000 transactions per second, which they hope to reach around 2022 with Hydra, the second layer solution. So let's see what much you could make today if you invested $1,000 in Cardano. In addition, we'll see 3 price predictions as well, one with a very conservative outlook, one that is realistic, and one that is pretty upbeat as well. In order to do that, let's take a look at its past history. However, in light of Cardano's fairly new existence, we will now have to look at Bitcoin to get a better perspective. In the past, when there has been a bull run, what usually happened is that Bitcoin went almost $20,000 in the last bull run. Then, looking back at the preceding run that was in January 2014, it went up to around $1,000. Basically, you can see that between the last bull run from 2013 to 2014 and the current bull run, Bitcoin has risen around 20 times, so it has been about 20 times higher than it was at the last all-time high. For now, we'll assume the same numbers for Cardano throughout this run. Taking a look at the last bull run for 2017, we can see that it rose to almost $1.30 at its high point. Currently, it's sitting at $2.19, but assuming it moves in the same direction as Bitcoin in this program, we can assume that it will behave similarly over the course of this event. And now we can also consider a 20 times increase, which would mean that Cardano would reach $43 by the time this bull run is over, which is estimated to happen in early January. So here's the most optimistic scenario. I won't say that it will happen right away, and I also doubt it will happen as near as next January. However, I strongly believe that Cardano will reach $43 or even higher at some point. What is more likely is that the price will make 2 times off of what it reached last time. My calculation might not be completely accurate, but if you bought Cardano today at $2.19, 2 times your investment would be $4.38. So I think that's what will happen until the end of the year or until January, until this bull run ends. Lastly, let's take a look at a reasonable estimate and price point for this product, and that would be about $10. In other words, if we assume that it has only gone from $1.11 back in 2000, then by January 2018, that would not even be a 10 times increase. Using $1,000 worth of Cardano, you get around 456 Cardano. So if it was $2.19, which was what it was when I calculated it, imagine that Cardano reaches $10 by next year. If that happens, your $1,000 investment in Cardano will be valued at $4,560 by then. Furthermore, you will be able to gain rewards from Cardano's stake by earning 5% a year. For example, let's say you have 456 ADA, and we use a Cardano staking calculator because that is what you would get with $1,000. Considering that each year you would get about 21 more ADA, you would end up with 477 ADA if it goes to 10, and if it is 10, then you would have a savings of $3,770 just from $1,000 invested. Now here's a look at Cardano's price prediction. At the end of 2021, Cardano is projected to rise $3.12 per coin according to the Digital Coin Forecast. Then, according to the Economy Forecast Agency's market predictions, Cardano crypto will reach $3.83 in 2021, $7.70 in 2022, $8.93 in 2023, and $15 by the end of 2025. And as predicted by Cardano Crypto Forecast for 2024, price could reach $6.50 by year's end. Further, a prediction by Trade Education indicates that the Cardano price will peak around $6.80 in 2024 and fall to around $4.72 in 2025. Considering that Cardano has hit a record high, it makes us wonder what the future holds for this cryptocurrency, because we've been blown away, and Cardano's prices have increased over 1,400% to date. The growth of Cardano has made it one of the most important coins to examine in comparison with others. Nasdaq states that during September 2021, Cardano rose 126%, Bitcoin increased by 52%, and the price of Ethereum per Ether token rose by 62%. As numbers will vary according to market trends, if you wish to choose any platform, now is the time to do so. As with other cryptocurrency markets, the future of Cardano and ADA is largely uncertain, though a few key catalysts are on the horizon. And this upgrade fork will bring smart contract capabilities and decentralized finance features to the network, making it particularly noteworthy. So when it comes to investing in Cardano ADA, acquiring more and holding it is always your key to becoming a millionaire. It is still possible to do this if you don't have a lot of income, by building up your ADA little by little. Don't forget to join the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.